Hello everyone, how are you? I welcome you on class Genius. I am Mr. John and your teacher here, and I'll be teaching you different questions and their answers. So let's get on the questions. So our today's question is: after a pair of cleft lip, is the infant allowed to cry to breastfeed? The correct answer to the question is no. The infant should be healed to prevent crying. The infant is not allowed to breastfeed. BC shocking is not good after lip repair. So that the correct answer to the question. If you have any problem, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until last question, bye bye.